You want to know how you can create a professional Upwork account for yourself? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create an professional Upwork account for yourself. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Upwork. So after you search for Upwork, go ahead and click on this link. After you click on the official link, click on sign up. Now after you click sign up, you can see that you can use it for client hiring for a project or a freelancer. So let's suppose I'm a freelancer. Let's open a account as a client or a freelancer. So this time let's open as a freelancer. Go ahead and click apply as a freelancer. You can continue using your Google account, your Apple ID, or you can just fill your personal information from here. Let's go ahead and click continue with Google. Go ahead and select your Google account. And after you select your Google account, click continue to sign up to Upwork. In a while you can see that this page loads up. Go ahead and click on yes, include, and then you can see that you can unselect this as it will send you some helpful emails, but if you don't want it, you can unselect it, select your country of choice or where you reside and click on create my account. Wait for a while and then you will create an account for yourself. And you can see that you have created an account for yourself. Now let's go ahead and click get started, answer a few questions so you can see if you are new to this brand or if you are an expert. So go ahead and click on I'm new to this brand if you want, or you can just skip all of the questions. Let's go ahead and see the questions. So go ahead and click on these. So you can click on all of these, click next, create a profile. And you can import your resume as well, or you can fill out your resume yourself. So you can complete this, you can upload your resume or you can fill out manually. So you can write down your profession, go ahead and click next, add your experience, click on add experience, write down all of these, go ahead and write down the title. Let's suppose you want to write software engineer, go ahead and click on software engineer. Write down the company, and you can select if you are working on this job, write some description, write about the start date, and you can, if you click on this, you can also edit the end date as well. And after you write a genuine description, go ahead and click save. Go ahead and click on add next education, so add about your education details, or you can just click on skip for now. So you can see that you can add your language proficiency, so you can go ahead and click on fluent and click add to your skills. So you can add some suggested skills over here, so go ahead and choose which one of these skills do you have and then click next, write overview. Now you can write some bio about yourself, so you can just copy this for now. Let's suppose you can copy and paste here, and you can see that you can click next. And you can see that you can join in these and you will get some job description about these, and click next, set your rate, and you can keep your hourly rate over here. So you can see that you can enter between $3 and $9.99. So go ahead and enter your user rate. So you can see that the service fee is -$3 and you will get $27 per hour. So go ahead and click next. And write down your personal details. Go ahead and upload your photo, write your date of birth, select your country, select your street, and you can enter your city over here as well, and you can see that it automatically detects it. Write down your phone number as well, and then click review your profile. Oh, almost forgot, you must add your photo as well, so go ahead and click attach photo, and let's choose this photo over here. Click attach photo again, wait for a while, and then this photo will be uploaded. And after this, go ahead and click review your profile. You can see that you have created a perfectly good CV for yourself, so go ahead and click submit profile. And there you go. This is how you create a professional Upwork account for yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.